Hi, I'm Scott Jackson, independent specialist, working on mainly Land Rovers and Jaguars. We carry out repairs, servicing, all the needs for Jaguar Land Rover products.
What challenges were you facing before using TechMan?
So we found it really difficult to book in jobs and have a system that was all in one place. We had 3 different things running and you had to check backwards and forwards, and TechMan's really streamlined that.
What made you decide to go with TechMan?
When I was looking through them, the kind of online support and in-person support if you need it on the phone, ease of use, and the cost of it was pretty good as well. So it kind of ticked all the boxes for me.
How easy was it to get set up with TechMan, like the training, the onboarding and whatnot?
It was really easy. It probably took about an hour and a half to get a basic knowledge of how it all works, and online videos that they send you to talk you through how to do specific things are awesome. And if you get stuck on anything, you can just ring them and they'll help you.
Which TechMan features do you use the most, and how do they help your business?
We kind of use the invoicing side, and job creation is the easiest thing. It makes it so much quicker to book someone in and to the point of invoice after work's completed. Or if you send out an estimate, to convert that into an invoice is really easy. And it just keeps it all moving seamlessly.
How has TechMan improved your day-to-day operations?
It's made I know what's coming in the next day. I know the parts that are arrived. I know everything's here for those jobs. So it just makes it so much easier to run the workshop efficiently. And then again, doing the invoicing side takes minutes rather than half hour, 40 minutes.
How do you find TechMan's customer support and ongoing help?
Really good. Even if you forget something you've done 3 times yesterday, you can ring them and they'll talk you through it, or send you a video link to how to do that one particular thing. And again, if you have a problem with the system and it doesn't work to how you want it, they can, in some cases, adjust it to meet your needs, and it's really good.
What would you say to other garages thinking about using TechMan? Would you recommend TechMan?
Yeah, definitely. It's made life a lot easier for me, as well as we have remote bookings people that can look into it and do everything, and it updates you and lets you know what they've changed and ordered. It makes it so much easier, and takes a lot of the stress out of running a garage.